Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to record and post your presentations. So there was an issue with the Flipgrid that we were going to use. So instead, we'll be using PowerPoint. So if you haven't used PowerPoint before, you have access to PowerPoint by being a student at SOU. So if you just search on Google PowerPoint online and go to this first site here, then you can sign in, and it's going to prompt you to sign in with your SOU credentials. So I've already got mine loaded up here. You could sign in, you push sign in with a different account and put in your SOU email address. You will get to this page, the Southern Oregon University homepage, and you'll be able to access the web versions of the Office applications over here on the left. And you can also install the desktop versions of the Microsoft Office apps right here. So I would suggest that you do this. In fact, in order to record a PowerPoint video, you have to install the desktop app. It won't work if you try to record on PowerPoint online. So first you have to, if you haven't already installed these apps, click this to install them. Once they're installed, then you can begin working on your presentation. So I'll open PowerPoint here. So I posted a link to a tutorial for PowerPoint if you're not familiar with how to use it, but I would imagine that most of you have probably used PowerPoint before. And so once we have gotten to our PowerPoint main screen here, we're going to open our presentation and make our presentation. After you've made the slides for your presentation, the way that you can record is by going to this record tab on the top of the screen here. So if we go, let's open, I want to show you, if we try to do this in PowerPoint online and we open a presentation in PowerPoint online, let's compare the options that we have available here. We have home, insert, draw, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, record is not available on the online version. I'm not sure why that's the case, but it seems to be, I couldn't find any way to get record available on the online edition. So you have to work on the desktop app, but then you've got this record button here. So we can push record from the beginning. We open up this slide here where we've got these different options. It kind of gives you a presentation view so that you can see the slide that's coming up next. Maybe if you've added any notes to the slide, you can see them here and all of the different slides that are available at the bottom of your screen here. And you push the red button to record. Once you have recorded your presentation, then you'll go to File, and instead of saving it as a PowerPoint, we want to export this as an MP4. So you're going to, after you finished your presentation and you finished recording it, you have to record it first. Then you'll go to Export. And down here on the file format, you can change the format to MP4. And these default settings should be fine. Make sure you've got the appropriate name and that it's going to the appropriate place. So I've already exported mine over here. You can see I already have my team presentation MP4 file. So you export, it goes to the location you indicated. So now I made my PowerPoint presentation. I recorded, I exported my MP4 file, and now you're ready to post your MP4 file onto our Moodle page. So let's go back to Moodle. So from our page here, we've got step 1, generate presentation ideas. Step 2, read the instructions for your first presentation. And step 3, post your presentation videos here. So there is some information about instructions for the presentation here in step 2, if you haven't read that yet. And then here, your step 3 post presentation videos here, this forum. So click on this, add a discussion topic. The subject is going to be Mike's presentation. And then I'm going to insert my MP4 file. So I have to go to Insert Multimedia, Browse Repositories, and from here I can choose my file. So I go to the location that I had indicated previously. Mine's here on the desktop. Upload your file. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a little while. And then push this button here, Insert Media. And so all you've got, it'll just have this link, Team Presentation. Oh, somehow I misspelled presentation, teampresentation.mp4. But if you post this to the forum, what is left is this post that I made here. So I can click on the post that I just made in the discussion forum here, Mike's presentation. And notice that when I click on it now, my post actually posts the video. And so now I can watch the video here. Or you can play the MP4 file. So this is how you can use PowerPoint to record your presentation and then post it here to Moodle. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to my email.